magliligpit ako. Ayan, watch lang kayo. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, first time kong mag-live ng gabi. Hi, Susita. Talip-tip, thank you for watching. Hi, Jasmine, thank you for watching. Hello, Jelski, thank you for watching. To all my friends, thank you so much. Ayan. Busy tayo. Ginabi na tayo mag-closing time. Mag-alas 10 na pala dito ng gabi. 10 PM na. Ayan, mag-closing time pa lang ako.